Do you want to learn a powerful manifestation technique that only takes 10 seconds or less? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'm going to share with you a practical exercise based on Neville Goddard's teachings that can change your focus and transform your mornings for the better. Hello, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to share with you a technique that only takes 10 seconds but can have a profound impact on your day. All you need is a pen and a sticky note, or a piece of paper if you don't have a sticky note. This technique is based on Neville Goddard's teachings and can help you shift your focus and start attracting positive things into your life. Before we dive into the technique, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming manifestation videos. And if you're ready to change your mornings and start manifesting the life of your dreams, then let's get into the technique right now. So let's talk about this powerful technique that can change your focus and transform your mornings. As I mentioned earlier, what you focus on first thing in the morning tends to set the tone for the rest of your day. If you wake up and immediately start focusing on negative things, such as your bills, your lack of income, or your relationship status, you are likely to attract more of those negative circumstances throughout your day. However, we can change this pattern by doing a simple exercise right before we go to bed at night. So, here's what you need: a sticky note and a pen. If you don't have a sticky note, you can use a piece of paper, but a sticky note is preferable because you can easily take it with you wherever you go. Before you go to bed tonight, I want you to write down a positive affirmation or a statement that represents what you want to manifest in your life. It could be something like, "I am abundant in all areas of my life," or "I am attracting loving and fulfilling relationships." Write it down in big bold letters on the sticky note. Now, when you wake up in the morning, the first thing you do is look at the sticky note and read the affirmation out loud. Really feel the words and believe that they are already true for you. Take 10 seconds to do this, and then go about your morning routine as usual. What this technique does is it shifts your focus from the negative circumstances around you to the positive affirmation that you want to manifest. By starting your day with a positive affirmation, you are setting the tone for a day filled with positive energy and manifestations. It helps you to shift your mindset from lack and limitation to abundance and possibility. Let me give you an example. Let's say you have been struggling with financial difficulties and constantly worrying about money. Your mornings may start with checking your bank account, paying bills, and feeling stressed about your financial situation. This sets a negative tone for your day, and you may continue to attract more financial challenges throughout the day. But by using this technique, you can shift your focus and change your mornings for the better. Instead of checking your bank account first thing in the morning, you read your positive affirmation, such as "I am financially abundant and money flows to me easily and effortlessly." You take a moment to really feel the truth of these words and believe that they are already true for you. This sets a positive tone for your day, and you start your day with a mindset of abundance and prosperity. As you go about your morning routine, you continue to hold on to the positive affirmation in your mind. You may notice that you feel more optimistic and confident about your financial situation. You may also start noticing opportunities and ideas that can help you improve your financial situation. For example, you may come across a job listing that aligns with your skills and interests, or you may receive unexpected financial blessings, such as a refund or a bonus. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Is it really that simple? Can just reading an affirmation for 10 seconds in the morning really make a difference? Well, studies have shown that what you focus on first thing in the morning tends to shape your day. So, by consciously choosing to focus on a positive affirmation, you are sending a powerful message to your subconscious mind and the universe that you are ready to receive and manifest positive things in your life. In fact, many successful people, including millionaires and billionaires, swear by the power of a morning routine that includes positive affirmations. They understand the importance of setting their focus and intention for the day right from the moment they wake up, and you can do the same too. The key is to continue to hold on to the positive affirmation throughout your day, even when faced with challenges or setbacks. If you find yourself slipping back into negative thoughts or worries, take a moment to remind yourself of your positive affirmation and refocus your mind on the desired outcome. Remember that you are in control of your thoughts and emotions, and you have the power to shift your focus from negative to positive. Another example of how this technique can work is in the area of relationships. Let's say you have been feeling lonely and unhappy in your romantic life, and you tend to wake up in the morning with feelings of sadness and longing. By using this technique, you can shift your focus from the lack of a romantic partner to the affirmation, "I am attracting loving and fulfilling relationships." When you read this affirmation in the morning and really feel the truth of the words, you start your day with a positive mindset and an open heart. You may find yourself feeling more confident and optimistic about your love life, and you may notice that you are more open to opportunities to meet new people or strengthen existing relationships. You may also start noticing positive changes in your interactions with others, as you are radiating a positive energy that attracts loving and fulfilling relationships into your life. Remember, the key to making this technique work is to consistently practice it every morning. It only takes 10 seconds, but the impact it can have on your day and your life can be profound. By starting your day with a positive affirmation and shifting your focus from negative circumstances to positive possibilities, you are aligning your mindset and energy with the things you want to manifest in your life. So, why not give it a try? It only takes 10 seconds in the morning, and the potential benefits are immense. Imagine starting your day with a positive affirmation that aligns with your desires and goals. It's like programming your mind and setting the stage for a day filled with positivity, abundance, and manifestation. And the best part is, you can customize your affirmation to suit your specific needs and desires. It can be related to any area of your life, such as your health, wealth, relationships, career, or personal growth. The key is to make sure it's a positive statement that resonates with you on a deep level and feels believable to you. Another great thing about this technique is that it's simple and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. All you need is a sticky note and a pen, and you can do it right before you go to bed and as soon as you wake up. It's a small investment of time that can yield big results in transforming your focus and attracting positive circumstances into your life. So, are you ready to give it a try? Grab a sticky note and a pen, and tonight, before you go to bed, write down a positive affirmation or statement that represents what you want to manifest in your life. Then tomorrow morning, when you wake up, read it out loud and really feel the words as if they are already true for you. Take just 10 seconds to do this, and watch how it shifts your focus and transforms your mornings for the better. So, I encourage you to give this technique a try and see how it can transform your mornings and ultimately your life. And remember to share your experiences and manifestations in the comments below. I would love to hear how this technique works for you. If you enjoyed the content and found it valuable, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.